Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good morning again. Today we are going to open up the 65UQ800, a new one for 2022 model. This is coming with the Alpha 5 Generation 5 and WebOS 22. Yeah, so let's go, baby. Yeah, you can just cut the rope or else. So after that we lift so these will be the legs. Let's just open the legs and see. So the legs are no different from the previous models. So let's go. From the UP series, it's almost the same. We'll remove the thermopole. Just a minute. And this is how it's going to come inside. So for the easiest way, we have to lift this box. You don't have to remove the TV, but what you have to do is to lift the box like that. So after the removal of the box, the TV will look like that. Yeah, let's go. And it comes with the MR22 remote, the new one for the 2022. So normally what we advise, if you're going to install the TV, the legs, you just have to bring the box down like that, then put the thermopore inside. How it's going to do, you put the thermopore inside, so that we can balance where the TV will be sitting. So we'll put the TV on the box to install the legs. So this is what I was talking about. So we'll put the TV like you bend it to the box so that it's flat. And if you're going to install the legs, normally legs have like B and A. So the A will be like this. So each side has one letter. So if you check on the TV itself, it will come with which letter. This is letter B, letter A. This will be letter A here. So, and here this side it will come with letter B. I don't know whether you're seeing it properly, but this is letter B here. So it means the leg B or the stand, it will come this side. It will come like that. So make sure this will enter into this hole. Then you push it like that. Then colors, let's start. So we'll like tighten the TV and screws. So this TV will come with three HDMIs. There is two here. There is two HDMIs here. Then one USB and another HDMI here, and another USB. So it comes with the two USBs and three HDMIs. This is the ARC, so audio return channel. So let's go. So the TV comes with 6 screws, so it means here there is 2 screws and here one also. So let's start. That's not. One inside here.
It's really neat, huh?
Yeah. So he'll finish like this. Is how it looks when it's done. One screw will be inside, another out, 3 outside. So we are going to start with the setup of the TV. So ladies and gentlemen, once you switch on your TV, it will bring like that. So you have to press this button, the one in the middle, on your magic remote. So once you press the button, the TV will like synchronize with the remote. So after you sync the TV with the remote and you press, it will bring the pointer. Then we can start the setup of our new TV. For the moment, we are based in the Middle East, so we'll set the Middle East. We are based in Dubai or Emirates, like Dubai Emirate. So we will skip next. We can select now. So we are, for the moment, I'm going to use none of this. So I'll select the none option. Where's the TV port? This will help you with the sound. So if you install on the wall, then the sound will be set for the wall. If you install down, it will be set on the stand. So we are putting it on the stand. And ladies and gentlemen, right now the TV has started. This is our new 2022 UQ series, UQ80. And for your information, so this year L just done it again. It's coming with the IPS panel. Yeah, IPS panel means there is like double screen, so the durability of the TV will be more. That's in the Q80. There is IPS panel. So let's do the demo settings for the store. We are based in the store. I will put like demo for the store. Sorry, I had to go back. Devices, home and store settings, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the new LG UQ series 2022 IPS panel and Alpha Generation 5. It's coming with the Alpha 5 Generation 5 processor. So ladies and gentlemen, kindly please subscribe to our channel, place a like button, press a notification button. We love you. For any inquiries, you can please check write in the comment section. We'll be giving you the latest updates. Thank you, love you so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please. We kindly beg you to subscribe to our channel. Love you all.